It's April 29, April 29 or April 28. So it's Sunday, early morning before 6 a.m. Linggo, bago mag alas 6 ng umaga. Galing tayo ng corner ng Field Festival Mall and Commerce Avenue. So diretso tayo ng Commerce Avenue hanggang Daang Hari. So ayan, we are approaching the corner of on the right is Acacia Hotel. So intersection to. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's respect the traffic lights. Hindi natin na set up. Nasa third gear pa tayo sa biggest gear at the front. So 3 to 2. Then 5 to 4 at the back for easier gear kapag paahon. Okay, mamadali siya. Bakit? Lang ang ating belt bag sa bit loose. So we're leaving Philinvest City. Yan, nandito na tayo sa Alabang Town Center. Downhill. Yan, meron tayo mga early morning joggers taking advantage of the cool morning. Tayo. Approaching the stoplight intersection. On the right is Molito. On the left is Ayala Alabang. We are go. tayo sa tabi. Pag walang bike lane, well, usually whether there's a bike lane o wala, dito lang tayo sa tabi, sa slowest lane near the sidewalk. Default siya. Another intersection, another red light. We're turning off our front light dahil maliwanag na. Respect the red light. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huwag kayahin yung nandun sa unahan. Follow the rules, traffic rules, para iwas sa bala, iwas sa accident. So up ahead, yan, I love Las Piñas. That's the Anghari, and that's our ride. Yan na yung end ng Commerce Avenue. We're turning right. Wala, saan tayo? May road closure dito sa, I think this is investment. Counterflow tayo. So we are in Las Piñas. Good morning, it's early Sunday morning. It's right. So ayun, counterflow tayo, nag-asphalting sa kabilang side. Ayan, thank you for giving a wide berth si white SUV. So marunong siya sa mga bike courtesies. Slow down siya, kaya hindi masyadong dumikit sa atin. Nagbigay ng space sa atin. I need my space. So mag-turn right tayo.